Aquaba, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dan is on the Sunday morning here in Ghana. Bright weather, still cool. Yes, I'm giving you a little weather update. Thank you so much, subscribers. You're coming into the new subscribers, got a couple new subscribers with the content on Jamaica Village, and also sharing how I achieved the necessaries up to this point, right? We have cleared fully 4 months here now. So I really appreciate that. And we just need to put a little bit more juice, a little bit more fuel, you know, in that tank, and let us get us to 1,000 subscribers, please. I can't do without you, okay? And if we only have a couple of you, literally grab somebody's phone, who you know, and just log in to Diane's channel, I think we'll be able to cross that very soon. So again, you know, much gratitude and appreciate that. I have a couple of the subscribers, they're like, you know, we're waiting on the next one, we're waiting on the next one. I told you, you know, it's part-time. So even though it's a full-time mindset and attitude, is still part-time, and I will do my best because I enjoy bringing the content to you, and even more so when you show your appreciation by dropping your comment. And I'm all for the questions that you ask, because after all, you know, I'm one of those who ask a lot of questions, and I'll do my best. Now, one of the questions rather, you know, I have 1 or 2 persons, they're reaching out about the Jamaica Village. Let me explain briefly what I mean by that content and the vision that both Makeda and Achaba has in mind. Yes? Abacha. Donation. You know, and when I said to you that I'm going to become a part of Jamaica Village, it's literally by donations. Guys, in this global sphere where we are, there are so many persons, and some of you are accustomed to donating to various charges and causes. And as I refer to myself as a facilitator, what I can do, anyone that's interested, you know, we're talking tangible, you know, this thing about one cocoa full basket is true. You know, even, you know, $1, you know, based on the volume, goes a very far way. So persons who reach out, when I say if you connect and we have a convo, I will direct you directly to Makeda and Abacha, right? And once I clear it with them and say all is well, or let me rephrase that in terms of, I will not directly give you their direct contact numbers. Once you reach out to me, then once I communicate with them and say, is it okay, then that's how it goes. That is how it goes. I am facilitating and guiding you direct to the source. And so that is it in plain terms. I don't think I can get any plainer than that. You know, the whole idea and concept so far, and based on the conversations I've had with them off the air, you know, we're looking at definitely the donations, charity, and then you will see the steps that are being taken place, because yes, they are deserving, and Jamaica Village to be on a bigger platform. So I appreciate a commenter that you know, spoke to me and, you know, made a couple suggestions, but I told him exactly what it is that is needed at this point. Yes, because it's the funds. You know, we have a lot of talk going on, but we really need now tangible funds to be able to realize, make that vision a reality moving forward. Now, August is a big month, yes, and come tomorrow is the 1st of August. You know, Jamaica is celebrating independence 60 years, and also in Ghana you'll have the diaspora and the Jamaican consulate, you know, putting on events for that. But you know, something else that is also taking place in Ghana, Africa, the month of August, and I learned of that a week ago, and I'm extremely excited about that. It is Marcus MOSIAH Garvey. Ghana every year has a Marcus Garvey Day celebrating his life. I think that's a wonderful thing. Marcus Garvey was born in 1887. He died in 1940. That puts him in our early 50s, say, 52, 53. So every year, I was told, on the 17th of August, the Marcus MOSIAH Garvey Foundation, MMGF, put on a Marcus Day celebration. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up, as I said, in August the 17th. And Diane S. would like to bring you some nice coverage on that. Let me see what I can capture. And they have a lot of things taking place. They're going to have a fun day, with the educators and the kids. And of course, you have vendors who'll be able to have their items on display, whether food, clothing, Ghana made. And of course, there'll be panel discussions. So it's literally a full ensemble that's taking place, and I really felt pleased about that, because I'm not going to fool myself and pretend with you guys. I didn't know a lot about Marcus Garvey going to school, and a friend of mine, I was speaking to her about it, and she said, "Diane, you must have studied that in school." I said, "No, in history." I said, "No, I did not." I said, "No, I did not." Yes? And when she go back, she said, she studied it in more detail at university. And she says, you may not in your year. I said, "No, it was the Arawak and Indians." Yes, the Arawak and Indians. No, Marcus Garvey. And so when it comes around to independence, then you get into the history and you see a little bit on the telly. But that Ghana does, that takes place in Ghana. The Marcus MOSIAH Garvey Foundation. Yes? Honoring him every year, the 17th of August, because that's the day he was born, the year again, 1887. It's solid. It's solid. Yes? I appreciate that. That excites me. That tickles my fantasy. And it is open to everybody. So guys, coming up in August now, I also going to do a little out-of-town trip. Not telling you where that is. Hope you like it. So we have that. And then we're going to have the Marcus Garvey Day. And again, for Jamaica Village, if you want to drop a donation, you want to know how that goes, drop me a line. Either in commenting on the vlog pertaining to Jamaica Village, or send me an email, jatoghana@gmail.com, and I'll ensure that McCade and Abacha receives accordingly. Again, thank you so much for rocking with Diane on the channel. We are moving in good speed. Have an awesome Sunday. Be thankful always. God bless.